again. It's a red stick.
Here, Tipsy has been here for a minute. What are we doing?
I gotta loosen the shocks.
No, let them know what we were doing.
What are we doing? We're doing suspension. We're changing out and putting on coilovers.
Let's see it. Let's take a look.
Sorry, my trunk is like a mess.
This is why you call him Tipsy. Watch. Megan Racing, that's what it was. Okay.
Megan Racing.
Yep. Ooh. Got Tipsy over here. Got him all good. Even got a side skirt for him. Oh, nice.
Oh, got it. Hopefully, should just smooth right home.
Yeah, should be. Yeah, you could just adjust it. If it's too stiff, you could just adjust it. As you go left, is softer. Right is stiffer, yeah, or harder. You're already moving it. Alright. Alright guys, I took off the Type S spoiler off Mariah's car. I used some glue gun to take off the residue. And I cleaned it up with some quick wax. And I'm just going to buff out that little area where it was. The old stuff or remnants of the old spoiler. Because if you know Kevin Lee, shout out to Kevin Lee. Here's his Instagram and go check out his YouTube. We're picking up the trunk spoiler off him, already color matched, so we might be putting that on in today's video. Content, you know, getting ready for our trunk and treat meet coming soon. Oh, he didn't bring the spoiler out. Bring it out. I don't. We're test fitting the spoiler from Kevin. If you watch this video, this is for 3 months later though. It's not bolted down, but in color, it looks so good on Mariah's car. Better than the Type S one. We're gonna go ahead and finish up this car. Try to get that on today, and see what else pops up for today's video.
Morning.
I
was leaving. I was leaving, right?
What happened? Just tell everyone what happened. What happened?
Fuck those people.
Who?
All of them.
Let me see.
Dude, they get a little bit of camber with those plates.
In the rear? Do you want to try to get it to like 5?
3.
3? That's a lot. You sure you're gonna fit it?
Yeah, they've always run it.
Alright. He says so. Was any words for the Modesto chapter that misses you?
Who?
Any words for any of the Modesto guys that misses you?
I miss them all.
Especially Eric, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you miss Eric.
I want to race them.
What am I?
I want to race Eric from deep slips. 60 roll to 160.
Alright, time to put on the spoiler. And now we're just gonna have it placed on. It looks so good. So we're gonna start lining it up, see where we want it at, then we'll put toothpaste on it, and then drill it out. Alright, we got it pretty much how we want it at. We put the toothpaste on it. We're gonna go ahead and pick it up. So go pick it up. Let's see if it actually made a mark. Let's go hard down. Alright, that's good.
Just lift it?
Yeah. Okay, looks pretty good here, and probably that fat one, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
All right, just put it on the grass. We got a drill bit. Damn. Oh, thank you, Kevin Lee, for this. Looks so good. Dude, go hard, man. That's what she was missing.
Looks clean.
Alright guys, I got the bumper off. We're gonna probably be trying to get this fitted the best we can in this area. So we're gonna see about trying to get a few things shaved off, because it can either go like this, which is not too bad at all, or we'll see what we can do, honestly. Alright guys, here's a quick mock-up. Actually don't look too bad once I get it more flush over here when I start gluing it like this. And then we can put a mesh right here. I don't think I have enough mesh to do that. We'll see, but for sure I could get this done. Wish I have a bulb for it, but I don't think I will. But yeah, this is how it looks with the carbon fiber. I think the carbon fiber insert looks so good with the Gerzy bumper. Right now I just have it just mocked up with tape. Same thing on that side. But yeah, it's just because, you know, I got carbon fiber here, got carbon fiber accents here and there, besides the clear. And then we're, like I said earlier, we're trying to fix this. We put like a screw or something in the middle, that way it doesn't come back out. Only that bugs me. But yeah, that's almost about it. We'll probably might be able to at least glue it down today. We'll see. Alright guys, so I tacked it with this stuff, the cheap Walmart stuff, just to kind of tack it in place in a few spots. Now we'll go ahead with the good stuff. So far it's looking pretty damn good, as you can see. So now we're gonna I'm just gonna tape up a few more spots up here, just so that way I don't get anywhere. And then I'm gonna glue up here with the good stuff. The stuff I'm using is this stuff right here. It should be plenty to hold up these spotlight trims and part of the mesh. Alright, gonna have the mesh on there. Same thing up here. Once this kind of glues down, I can try to flip it over and glue more of the bottom of it down. So if I do that later, probably today. Alright guys, so right now I kind of tacked it with the cheaper stuff. And then these are the actual good stuff that is not going to go nowhere. Same with right here. So this is pretty on there. So we're going to finish up. Once this tack up and it's holding strong, we'll get the good stuff and we'll go all the way around. This is just to hold it in place. And then I'm doing tacking it a little bit right here and a little bit at that corner for now, and then we'll put more once it tacks up. We can bend this a little bit easier, that way we don't get it to flex too much. But yeah, this is the back of it. I'll show you the front of it. It's kind of hard to see the grill, but it looks almost better with it, I believe. So there's that one. Oh, done. We just gotta tack it from, well, we gotta glue it from the bottom, hopefully. And we got this guy right here. Not too bad. I wish it was just a little bit closer, but we'll see what we can do. Alright guys, I'm almost done with this. I just gotta do, before I went to work, I actually glued a few more. I glued up here, and I glue up the sides on all these. I glue up the sides in here, and this is like the people, you know, they will never see back here, so it's fine. glued right there, side. So basically the last thing I gotta do is try to get under here and put some glue. That way, this, because it flexed a little bit, you can see. So once we put glue here, that should hold that in place. I might put a little bit glue right at the corner where this kind of meets. That'll hold that in place. And it's a little bit more at this corner. Under here, I'm gonna try to get inside here a little bit just to hold this up. I'm trying to put tape to hold it flat. It'll be perfect, but I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do for that one. Same thing with this one. This one is already glued, so this is fine. All right. Next one, then I'm gonna try to glue under here on this one as well. So what I did is put tape on the other side right there, that way I don't get on the paint. And then I'm gonna try to get this a little bit more flatter. That's why I'm working with the tape. Once I get this flatter, I'll glue this, glue all this, and it should be, then it should be done. So I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, I took off the old decal. This is how it looks under it, all the fucked up one. And I'm just gonna go simple with a bacon fender. Shout out to Bacon Fenders. I'll put his IG in the description. Give him a follow. These are pretty dope decals. I'm gonna go put one on right now. I almost forgot to show you guys. Well, we going back to the bumper right now, finishing up a few things. But here it is. Bacon fenders, and this is why. You can see how ugly it is. This idea. It's just this. I used to run the 11s before I had like rolling and stuff, and I fucked it up like when I first got the car. I'll fix it one day, but right now we'll leave it like that. Mariah's car looks so good with the wing still, so can't get over it. Shout out to Kevin again. So good. The tire might be flat. Right now it just rains, so all our cars are dirty. We got a car show tomorrow I'm gonna be heading to. And I'm just trying to finish the bumper today, get a new battery for my car, and then we'll get going. Alright guys, gonna go ahead and do one more right here. I just need to go to the store and try to get more of this. The plan is not to glue this one. We're just gonna take out the screw and put it right in the screw like that on both of them, and that will basically hold this in place. And that should be it for this one. I'll see if I want to just tack a little bit right here, but we'll see. Alright guys, so with the Home Depot, they did not have black, so I found this one. It is pretty damn close, and I spray painted it black, as you can see, and it has a silver. So, and this is literally so close you can't even tell it was a different one. I think it's probably the same, but yeah, it bends pretty easy, just like it. Let this dry up, and then I'll go ahead and try to put this on. Alright, mesh is now done. Got everything all how we want it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bumper on the car and finalize it. Fog lights will be most likely a different day. I'm gonna do the fog lights a different day, but yeah, let's go ahead and put this on the car and see how it looks. It's kind of dark, guys. Going to a little meeting, but I forgot to show you guys when it was on, and it's a couple days later. Went to a car show. I thought I was gonna take best wheels, but unfortunately not. I think that place was kind of rigged up, but anyways, we'll go ahead and go to this meeting, and probably next clip should be daytime for you guys. I took off the old banner on my car, but I can't find the new one, unfortunately. I thought I brought it with me to the car show, so I gotta get my buddy's help putting it in, but can't find it, so I have no idea where it went. And I cleaned out this car the day of. Alright, we'll go ahead and see you guys soon. Alright guys, it is now the following day, but let's give you a good look on during the daytime. I think it came out pretty good. I'll put some photos from the show I went. up here so you can see some good quality photos. Yep guys, I just end the video right here. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys end up liking all this stuff, and like, comment, subscribe. Peace.